Hey, we're Keith and Deb, and if you missed our last vlog, we got to try a bunch of delicious Thai food at a night market.
So today, we're gonna be cooking our own Thai food. Subscribe to follow along. We made it to this cute little market.
We met our guide and he's just taking us around and learning about the ingredients that we're going to be cooking with today. So we just learned that the bananas, depending on the size, are different sweetness. So these medium-sized ones are Thai bananas and they are less sweet. And it's funny because we noticed that those are the ones we've been eating for breakfast at our hostels and stuff. They're really good. Versus the tiny ones and the big ones are sweeter. We're just learning so much.
Yes.
We needed a coffee. What's new?
So far we learned about different fruits, different types of rice, like how some are only steamed, some are fried, like some are sticky. Anyhow.
Excited to learn how to cook. This has been an awesome day already.
Okay.
What
This place is Instagram paradise.
Tranquil. Like, we each have our own cooking station. Look at how beautiful this is.
This is so
like
lovely.
Fountain.
There's free water, you can buy some beers.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Wow, I'm excited.
This is very neat.
What is this? At the moment, we're just giving time to relax, enjoy this beautiful environment. So we thought we'd show you what each of our cooking stations looks like. We each get our own individual station. We have a menu, not sure how it works, but I think we're gonna get to pick what we wanna cook, which is so cool.
Oh wow, I didn't know that.
And look, so we have our cutting board, a knife, we have our own element, little masher.
What's it called, Border?
We get an apron to wear.
Nice.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to learn how to cook all this delicious food. So many decisions to make, we don't know what to cook. We're gonna go learn about the farm.
Just taking a stroll around the farm. They have like chickens over here that hatch their eggs that we're gonna use while cooking, I imagine in the Pad Thai. It's just really quite a lovely property. There's a lot of wildlife. Bees and birds and chickens and flowers, and it's lovely.
Lemongrass, it actually smells so nice.
It
And
smells nice,
he was just telling us too, they use it in so many different foods here in Thailand. So I think we'll be cooking with it today.
I kinda wanna smell that.
Of course you do.
Give it a whiff. Oh yeah, that smells good, doesn't it? It smells like clean, like a clean house. It also smells like green curry.
This is the plant that makes the green curry, Keith.
Oh yeah?
It's kaffir. I'll put it down. I'm sorry, I'm pronouncing that wrong. Smell it. It smells like green curry.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is
Green curry.
that green curry. It's that limey, citrusy, lemongrassy. Oh wow.
We learned at the farm they grow as much as they can for their recipes, including lemongrass, hibiscus flower, butterfly flower, chives, mangoes, coconuts, tomatoes, garlic, kaffir lime, and more.
Just wash your hands because you're gonna do that. I got the lemon tea. Oh, I like this. Can I try yours too?
Yeah, I want
This
to
is
try
great.
mine first. I got the butterfly flower tea. He said it's his favorite. Oh my gosh. It's so nice. It tastes fruity, like really fruity. And look at that color.
That's beautiful.
We just got our first instructions. So the first thing we're doing is we're adding all of our little ingredients into the bowl. I'm not gonna add quite all of them because that's spicy, but you add everything in. And then the next thing we have to do is chop all of these up. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then we add it all together. I think I'm gonna be here for a while.
Smash everything into like a little ice cream.
Paste, yeah.
Okay, that is pretty buttery. We have a lot of work to do. Ours is very grainy. I win the competition. Mine's a paste. It's ready to be exported. In this pot, we got all our vegetables for our soup. Devin's got coconut soup, I got tom yum soup. That just means a different liquid. In order to cut these vegetables, there's actually a specific way of doing it. Oyster mushrooms, you peel apart with your fingers. Onion, you dice. Tomato, you cut in quarters. The chili, you smash. Lemongrass, you cut on an angle diagonally so the flavor seeps out more. The ginger, you cut in half. Yeah, remove the stem from this nice green leaf. You dice the tofu and put it in.
And then for seasoning, you add a pinch of salt. Just add some sugar, and then fish sauce, which is gluten-free. About half of one. There we go. And then you
Okay, this looks amazing. That was so quick. That was so fast.
It's in whole.
Is it good?
It's so nice.
I think
Oh my
it's
gosh,
very
it's
good type of
delicious.
Tofu here. Because in England, sometimes
Oh my
they
goodness.
put wheat in the tofu.
That was so simple.
Our first course.
This is absolutely delicious. Perfect spiciness for me.
It's okay, so they just
Oh.
mix it with wheat.
Wow.
We're gonna enjoy
I'm so
this.
impressed. That was, I can't believe I made this. How was that?
Incredible. On to our next course. He also said, be prepared. Apparently we have like 6 or 7 courses.
How great is that?
I'm already
I'll probably be
getting
eating Devin seconds.
Yes, you
I'm
will.
stoked.
Next is Pad Thai.
I'm not getting full.
So hopefully we can make Pad Thai as easy as he made it look. It looked incredible. First I prep my onion, tofu, and green onion. Time for the Pad Thai sauce we just learned how to make. Ingredients are prepped, now time to cook. This is stressful. It's fun though. Flour.
The final touch. I'm making the holy basil chicken, which is different from Devin's. It's the same sauce, however, and a bit less palm sugar. So when we get started, I'm cutting up the bean first. Once you get the smell of the garlic, just like Devin's Pad Thai with the onions, I'm smelling it now.
Yeah, now you add
and the chili.
chicken. Yeah.
Then you add the chicken. Okay,
Okay.
let's try it.
I've eaten lots of Pad Thai in the week we've been here. Let's see if mine's the best.
Alright, you
so
go
far.
first. Yeah, you have eaten a lot of Pad Thai. Is
This-
it? Michelin star?
No, best.
The best,
It's
huh?
so good.
Yeah, this place,
Oh my god.
good ingredients, Good lessons. Thank you for the cooking class.
Amazing. Wow.
I'm trying mine. Oh, it's really nice.
And now we know how to make it.
Oh, it's super light. Super nice.
Our next course, I'm making green curry, which we've actually eaten a lot of, and so this is really cool because I'm actually recognizing a lot of these ingredients, which I didn't know what they were.
That's a Thai eggplant.
A Thai eggplant. I've eaten so many of these, and now I know what it is.
For my red curry, I have the same ingredients. So I got the Thai eggplant and these tomatillos, I think they're called. Now we cut it up and prepare. Homemade by Keith curry paste. Very cool.
I was just saying, I'm surprised how quick this is. It's like you just add the ingredients, stir at high heat for a bit, and you're good to go.
The longest thing by far was making that paste.
The mash at the very
Mashing of the paste and smashing. If this is anything like the food we've had so far, it's gonna be delicious. I'm excited.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Your exam.
Yay.
Bravo!
Ta-da! Good job, Devin.
Look at me go.
I made this. What the heck? This is the prettiest thing I've ever made. Holy smokeroni.
And now you get to go enjoy it.
Wow. Alright, here it goes. Is there rice?
looks so good.
Oh, I love this little cake. I love the little rice balls.
Oh my god, it's so good. Best green curry I've also had since being here.
Oh,
Because
this
it's
one's-
not super spicy.
Mine turned out to be a bit yellow. I don't know what it was, but this.
Wow. Amazing. I'm gonna try yours.
I did great. Again. This is excellent. How creamy is that?
And it's got, yours is way more spice than mine.
Mine's spicy, but it's not. Patrick couldn't handle it.
No,
My
but
dad.
it's like doable.
But this is-
It's like so flavorful.
It's so creamy, so such a good texture. I want to try yours too. Yeah.
Amazing.
Oh,
Incredible.
that's amazing. I'm good coming in here, Dev.
How many times did we say amazing and exciting today?
Well, it's just a balance of flavors. Oh, yours is lovely. The ingredients are perfect. So the rest of the crew is doing a half day, but we're doing a full day. So it's a private lesson for us.
We're making mango sticky rice! Woo! See, I love this. This is how I cook as well. He says he never measures, he just feels how much
Feels
he
it.
wants to put it in. That's
Feels
my
it.
kind of cooking.
There, look at that presentation. Everything we've had today has had the most beautiful presentation. Just incredible and very, very good tasting. I just found out we're also making spring rolls after this, which
Yeah, we're gonna make a fresh spring roll for the next.
What? Your favorite though. That's so
Let's
cool.
see, yeah, that's so easy to learn to make.
Big news, we're also making a papaya salad. Yes, that's right. We're still going.
Keith's dream day, more food.
Wow, this is insane. I did not expect this many meals.
So now we have a papaya salad.
And then we'll have our spring rolls, and then we'll move on to the sticky rice.
Oh my gosh.
These are you?
Wow, thank you so much. And Devin got her spring rolls packed up. Her fresh rolls, sorry.
We can eat them later.
So we can have those later.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Amazing.
How is papaya salad, Debbie Dawn?
It's really good.
Oh,
It's really nice.
whoa. Okay. Mine's spicy again.
I told you not to add a full one.
Got a full chili. They give you the option of adding 3. And one's like
I added half of one.
a kick. Actually, this is totally fine. Just, you know, gotta work your way up. Well, looks like our ride's here. We're gonna say sticky rice to go. We're gonna eat it back at our place.
Don't worry, we'll show you if it's any good. But we gotta go.
If it's any good, yeah, it looks amazing.
It's gonna be incredible. But
Wow.
this has been amazing.
My belly is full. What a time. What a time we had here. What
This
in this
is so
beautiful
cool.
magical place. Oh my goodness. Yes. You, thank you so much. You're amazing.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
You're amazing. Thank you.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Amazing teacher and chef.
Thank you so much.
And we're back.
We are back in our room and we're gonna have our mango sticky rice.
We have it here. We poured the coconut cream on top.
And we've digested our food a bit so we can eat more.
Man, I love these fried mung beans.
Also, we haven't had the dyed rice yet that we helped make. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Oh my god, it's so good.
That's another beautifully balanced meal.
Wow.
The flavors are so good.
Amazing. Amazing. What a successful day.
The whole thing, I mean, it couldn't have been better than that.
It was so well organized and smooth and clean and fast.
The ingredients were either from the market we went to this morning or from the farm, so super fresh.
They give you lots of time to enjoy your meals.
Pick
in
up
between.
and drop off and yeah, eating and hanging out with people.
We're gonna put the link below to Grandma's home cooking
Cooking
school
school.
because it was
Links below.
amazing, and I honestly
Definitely.
best in Chiang Mai for sure. If you're
Really
here, you
recommend
have to
that.
go. The food was so good.
We did the full day tour and you can do the half day as well.
Thank you so much for
Thank you
watching.
very much for watching.
And we'll see you in our next video.
See you soon. No.
Has the smoothie. Capella has the bumpy
I was too in the zone. I cracked my egg.
You dropped your egg like a rookie. Who does that?
I do.